Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making easy vegan peanut brittle. Now this quick and easy candy recipe is perfect for holiday baking. This will be perfect inside your homemade cookie boxes, or it's even a delicious gift all on its own. It's gluten-free, it's dairy-free, it's vegan, it's so easy. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first we're gonna preheat our oven to 325 degrees. First, we're gonna need 318 grams of roasted and salted peanuts in a large bowl. Then you're gonna set those aside. So then you're gonna need a small pot. Then we're gonna add a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. Next, we're gonna add in 85 grams of agave. And if you guys aren't vegan and you wanna use honey in place of agave, you can totally do that as well. Or even if you are mostly vegan and you eat honey, honey also works and it also gives it a delicious flavor. Now we're gonna add in 30 grams of peanut butter. Next, add in 22 grams of maple syrup. Now we're just gonna put this over medium heat and just whisk together for a few minutes. We just wanna make sure that the peanut butter is completely combined with the other ingredients. Now we're gonna pour the peanut butter mixture over the peanuts and stir to combine it completely. Now we're gonna line a quarter sheet pan with parchment paper, but I'm using the parchment paper size for a half sheet pan. As you can see, it's bigger than the sheet pan. This is going to help us remove the bark so it won't stick to the pan because we can just lift it out once it's done. Now we're just gonna spread out this peanut mixture evenly. Now it's time to bake this. Once the peanut brittle has cooled completely, you can see how easy it is to lift it out of the sheet pan. Now it's just time to break it up into pieces. And now we have delicious vegan peanut brittle. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy vegan recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. Now we're gonna add in 30 grams of maple syrup. That's peanut butter, okay. Once the peanut brittle has cooled, oh shit, I need that off.